Okay, so now we're going to retrieve data from the last essentially 400,000 years. This is a well-known ice core. It provides long-range into the past CO2, atmospheric CO2 data, and we're going to use this to compare against more recent observations at the Mauna Loa Observatory. So this is the file. Now if we just click on it, it opens up a tab, and you can see what's going on here. There's some information about who obtained the data and where they are. And there are 4 columns here, and we actually only want the last column. There's the depth of the ice core, there's the age of the ice, there's the mean age of the air. If you've had some earth science courses, you understand why the air is younger in the ice, how the bubbles form in it. I've talked to some climate scientists, and so I have an explanation if you're curious. But it's definitely not my specialty. So we're interested in this column if we want the graph. This is the age of the air. This is would be the date before present of the atmosphere we're looking at. But really, it's this column. These are the same measurements, same units as the Mauna Loa, and this is the CO2 concentration of in the atmosphere at that time, 2,000 years ago, 8,000 years ago, etc. So what we want to do, actually, the easiest way to do this. Hold on here. Whoops. Move things a bit. Is we want to copy these 4 columns. You can't copy just 2. We'll copy 4 of them. And we're going to take them. You can right-click or control-click. You're going to copy. And now we want to create a text document. So whatever program you want, if you're on a Windows machine, somewhere you'll have Notepad, anything similar. There's Notepad here. And so we're going to dump this information in a text document. All right, and we'll save that as something. So save, we'll call it whatever, Vostok CO2 text document. Oops, I don't even know where I save that. Should always pay attention where I do that. Save it to desktop. And all right, so now we can close that. And now what we want to do is we want to go and open up a Google Sheets. So we'll go and go grab one of those. I've already got one. And just like before, what we're going to do is we're going to, once it loads here, going to go to File, and I'm going to Import. So get that all here. File, Import, and upload. I'm going to select the file, and I'm going to find my Vostok, and I'm going to open that file. It's uploading, and then it's going to ask me some questions. I'm going to have it insert a new sheet. I'll have it detect automatically. So import, and then kind of magically the numbers show up here.